my fabulous 142. Welcome to another Tuesday video. So today, since last week's video with the Freddy sauce did so well, I'm going to be doing another sauce tutorial. This is going to be copycat Zach sauce. So yeah, and I'm letting the oven preheat for my chicken nuggets and fries, or they're more like bites, chicken nugget bites, because there goes the oven. But anyway, just gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and get out a mixing spoon while I'm at it. So I'm gonna start with a spoonful of mayonnaise. Yeah, okay. Here we go. And yeah, I'm gonna go rinse this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, that's been rinsed off, and yeah, we're just gonna sort of eyeball it and try to do about the same amount of ketchup as there is mayonnaise. Now, you can measure these out, but just know that whatever, as far as the mayonnaise and ketchup are concerned, it's equal parts. So if you put a tablespoon of mayonnaise, you do a tablespoon of ketchup. That's how this recipe works. At least for me. So, just gonna eyeball it, do roughly the same amount. And after that, yeah, you're not gonna put the same amount of this Worcestershire because it adds just a tiny bit of flavor. So you're just gonna put just a tiny bit of this, not too much. And then we're gonna add our pepper and our seasoned salt. So yeah, the pepper and the seasoned salt, it's to taste. However, if you use more seasoned salt, it's going to be a little bit spicier. But if that's your thing, then, well, that's your thing. And yeah, I'm just going to mix this up. And there we go. Now, I like to look at the bottom to make sure I'm getting it mixed thoroughly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing from this angle that I'm standing at. So, there's little bits of mayonnaise on the side there, so you can scrape the sides, just like so. And after I'm done mixing this, well, just because this is a video, I'm gonna go take a picture for the thumbnail. All right, I think that's sufficiently mixed. And it looks like, yeah, that's the orange consistency, orange color, and definitely the right consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna go take my picture and then I'll do my outro in a bit. For this sauce tutorial, I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links down in the description below. The first of which is for my affiliate with So Sick Clothing. There's a promo code through them that will get you 15% off site-wide. That promo code is ORIS15, and there's also a couple of merch links. The first is for the Lovecraft website, which has my llama and deer t-shirts, and they also have a lot of really cool pottery pieces. And the second link is for my Teespring store, which is a parent. I've seen some stuff about them on social media that's about some changes, but either way, my other shirts that aren't llamas and deers are still on that store. So yeah, go check those out. And the rest of my links are for my website, my social media, and my podcast, El Race After Hours. New episodes every Tuesday, and that is available on Anchor, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and pretty much any podcast platform you can think of. That's it. Thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!